In 2005, exactly 10 years ago, the Red Truck Beer Company was founded. It started with an old red truck, a 1946 Dodge pickup, affectionately known as Old Weird Harold. And we had some excess brewing capacity at our facility in North Vancouver. Most appropriately, our first customer was the Vancouver Canadians, where our first employee, Sam Payne, would deliver kegs in that Bailey Stadium in the back of Old Weird Harold. Those days speak to our early beginnings and our humble roots. An old workhorse of a truck, hand-built by working class men and women using the best quality products of that time that were made and built to last, while delivering handcrafted beer brewed as slowly as possible to not compromise any of the process, to the venerable Nat Bailey Stadium, where everyday people would take in a favorite pastime on a summer afternoon, watching a ball game, enjoying a cold beer, and it took us back to a much simpler time when life was much, much less complicated. And fittingly, after 10 years of hard work, perseverance, and dedication by our loyal and passionate and committed team here at Red Truck, we arrived at this new home and facility of the Red Truck Beer Company.